everyone, this is Omar Murillo with Ever Home Real Estate here in the city of San Jose at 7060 Via Anacapa. This beautiful home that we have called the Leave It to Beaver home. We call it that because it's such a beautiful neighborhood. It's a throwback neighborhood that makes you feel like you can hang out at night, get to know your neighbor, see kids running around. So the neighborhood is amazing, but now the home delivers because we've done a full remodel. The house is ready to go. It's hitting the market this week. We're having an open house, so you're welcome to stop by. Come and check it out and let's take a tour.
You